and welcome back to my channel. I'm Kennedi. If you're just stopping, you are trending with Kennedi now. So click and subscribe with us, and before this video starts, like it up. Today I will be doing a DIY, and we're going to be making our own aloe vera gel. I know most of you guys only have used it for a burn or an itch in the past, but it is very beneficial for your skin, hair, honestly anywhere on your body. It brings the dryness, takes the dryness away, and it brings nutrients within vitamin C and vitamin E within your hair and in your skin. And guess what? It prevents acne. I have this devil mark on my face right now. So I'm gonna use this tonight and see what it does for me. So stay tuned and let's get started. First, let's grab our utensils that we need in order to make our aloe vera gel. You will need a knife, fork, and spoon, some type of bowl that you'll be able to put your gel in a mason jar, and of course your aloe vera leaf. I found mine at my local grocery store, but most people find theirs at a farmer's market. You're going to begin with cutting off the root of your leaf and following with turning your leaf to the other side and cutting off the long stem portion. We're going to follow with trimming off the pointy edges of the leaf. Now I'm going to cut my leaf into 2 to 3 inch slices. So to separate the skin from the leaf, you're just going to take your thumb and push your nail against the leaf. It will easily separate the skin from the aloe vera. It's a little bit easier for me to separate the skin because I have long nails, so it's easily gliding that skin off the aloe vera. At this point, your hand should be feeling a little gooey from the aloe, but don't throw that piece away because we're going to come back to it. And you're just going to complete the same process on the other side for separating the skin from the aloe vera. Some of the aloe still gets stuck on the skin. You can easily take your nail to scrape it off and it'll come off easily and put it within your bowl. Or you can take a spoon, as you can see, and glide it down the skin and drop it inside your designated bowl that you have for your gel. If you feel as if that your nails and your thumb is not helping you easily separate it, you can easily grab a spoon and do the same exact steps as before, pushing the spoon down against the skin, separating from the aloe vera. And honestly, I felt that this was easier for me because my nails kept breaking the aloe in half in the spoon, it easily glazed it off. Okay, and you just repeat this step once again. One of the slices actually had some funky looking color on it. I didn't know particularly what it was, but I just scooped around that piece. As you can see, I put it to the side. I didn't know what it was, but just throw it away. Your hands should feel like a baby's bottom right now because of that aloe vera, but you have everything within your bowl and you're just going to be mixing it and squishing it as much as possible to release the actual gel from the base of the plant. So we're just going to start mixing and act like you're beating eggs. A tip that I found was adding water to your mix. It will help dissolve the pulp and get more gel out of your leaf. Now it's time to extract the pulp from the aloe vera gel. While using your stocking, you can get a stocking of any color. This part is super easy. It's been around for many years. All you have to do is pour the content that's within the bowl within the stocking cap. Now you get some other bowl or anything and you apply pressure to the pulp so that it can extract the extra aloe vera that it is holding within. And you just repeat this process until you feel as if that you've gotten the most gel out of it. If you guys decide that you do make this gel and you love it, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see how I use this gel within my skin routine every day, let me know. Just put like a cute happy face down at the bottom. Now, after you have extracted as much gel from the pulp as possible, you will be left over with this within your stocking cap. Some people actually use it and store it and freeze it and use it for next time to make more gel, but honestly I just throw it away and voila, you have your aloe vera gel. All right, and let's seal the gel in with your cap and you're all good to go. Thanks for watching.